Welcome to this online training on climate change. We are going to learn about the dangers which our home is facing. It is a tragedy which we can avoid, and you can help by learning about it and teaching and talking about it to your family, friends and relatives. This is the first photograph of the Earth as taken from the Moon by the 11th Apollo mission. Many credit it with the birth of the modern environmental movement. We have been developing rapidly and unsustainably, which has led to the collision between civilization and the natural world. Today we are 7 billion and going to be 9 billion by 2050. India will probably be the most populated country at that time. The number of people living in poverty in a country is still very large. As per 2012 reports, there are 300 million people living below the poverty line. Locally and globally, we are facing the danger of a massive loss of biodiversity, water pollution, soil contamination, and the air pollution has reached global proportions. Today, it threatens the very future of the planet with climate change. Our atmosphere is the most sensitive part of our planet. It consists of thin and fragile band of gases which support all terrestrial life. The top layer of atmosphere are divided into 4 major groups, of which the lowest is called troposphere. It is where all the life exists. This is hardly 10 miles or 16 kilometers thick and has all the gases we survive on, including the greenhouse gases. This layer is also collecting all the pollution coming from man-made activities and natural phenomena like volcanic bursts. Let's study the greenhouse effect. The sun's shining energy rays come down to Earth and 70% are absorbed by atmosphere, land and oceans, while 30% is reflected back. This 70% absorbed energy is radiated back by Earth as higher wavelength infrared radiation. Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide and water vapor, absorb this infrared radiation and re-radiate it in all directions, including back to Earth. For many years, the amount of greenhouse gas found in the atmosphere has kept temperature of the planet within a range that is comfortable for humans and other living creatures. Without these gases, the Earth's temperature would be down to -18 degrees centigrade, much below the current average of 15 degrees centigrade. Scientists call this warming action of these gases greenhouse effect, and these gases are therefore called greenhouse gases. There is an interesting planetary proof of the greenhouse gas effect. Earth's average temperature is around 15 degrees centigrade. The next planet to Earth, Venus, has an average surface temperature of 464 degrees centigrade. What do you think should be the temperature of Mercury, the closest planet to Sun? A few thousand degrees is a general guess, but the temperature of Mercury is only 167 degrees C. Surprising. The answer lies in the atmosphere. Venus is fully saturated with greenhouse gases, while Earth and Mercury have little greenhouse gas in their atmosphere. Let's talk more about these greenhouse gases. The 6 most important greenhouse gases or the sources of warming are carbon dioxide, methane, black carbon, halocarbons, carbon monoxide and volatile organic compounds, and nitrous oxide. The percentage indicates the amount they are contributing to the global warming. In the next movie, we will talk about them in detail.